Good morning! It's day 2. We are checking out now and going to a cafe first. Which cafe are we going today?
French Rose Cafe.
Yeah, so we are going to this cafe that we found at...
Yesterday.
Yeah, we found yesterday, and then we're going to go make keychains at Daydream DIY Studio and check out a few bread shops. See you there! Bye-bye! We have reached French Rose Cafe, and in this area the rest of the shops are still closed. The time now is about 9:55 on a Saturday morning. I don't know if I actually pronounced it correctly, but anyway, we're here. Let's check it out. What do you order?
Pesto pasta.
Let me take a look at this. Yeah, so she ordered this basil pesto pasta with smoked duck. And how's the taste?
It's edible, but because yesterday we had very good pasta. So
The handmade pastas, right?
yeah, so the pasta's texture is very good.
My pasta came truffle mushroom pasta.
There's a nest.
Yeah, this truffle mushroom pasta has a little nest of... what? I don't know what it is actually. Okay, but anyway, let's try this one. Tastes okay. Not like wow also.
How is the broccoli? There's
Normal
broccoli in the
lah. How
pasta.
nice can broccoli be?
Broccoli is so delicious.
But it just looks like it's normally done. Actually, like most carbonara, the flavor will be a bit gelat after a while. But this one is on the milder side. I think just like yours, right? Yeah, so it's mid. I would say that it's like mid-average kind of cafe food.
Because yesterday we had very good pasta.
Yes.
So that's why.
Still,
in comparison.
as with cafes, this is just average. Honestly, average cafe food. Time now is 11:15 and we just reached this bakery called Kenjo. Let's go take a look. It's pretty well known, and I think like they are known for their salt bread, this butter roll and other bread. So let's go in. Shio pan. We're gonna eat some shio pan. There's like so much bread.
It's only for weekend.
Oh wow.
The turkey or shit.
The chocolate. Everything looks so good, honestly. The design looks so cute. Some Euro bread, butter sugar bun, and some pastries. Let's go to the other side. Okay, let's try this shio pan. On first glance, it looks quite good, you know. 940 though, is how much? It's very light and airy inside actually. I think it's not bad. It's a plain simple shio pan with like the bottom, the crust, right? You can see that like the crust is a little, what do I call it? Crusty. And then the top is also, can see a layer. It's a little bit like, a little harder than the middle part. I think it's not bad. Yeah, so if you're ever in the area, you can come here to buy their shio pan. Our next stop, Daydream DIY Studio. Okay.
然后你们的有人手，
这样子吗？
对。OK。白的那个脸，你可以给我看一下。那个脸是这样子的。 然后等下放眼睛下去，不，你们看得到吗？
看不到。
然后这样子，
If I don't want to bear their ears.
So weird.
How big is the body?
拉出来吗？
对
然后
可以自己拉
这是什么？
应该这样子看，所以才会看得到。
哦，OK。
你应该要这样，
OK，
你这样子拉，它就会有一个耳朵在这边了。就是你要拉到
可是你拉出来不是就有洞了吗？
这样子就能
哦，对。
没有关系。
OK， 然后就转一次，对吧？
嗯。
另外一只脚怎样做？做前面。
这个才是
哎，
正确哦。你看一看这个比较有脸，这个扁扁的，可以。
This is the body, why you?
Oh my
这
god! Help!
你可以等下你确定要转一下，可能因为它的毛比较
怎么中间有个？Oh yeah! This is Cassie's. It looks like elephant.
My God.
I think you should change it become elephant.
No, I don't want to
Make a long nose. This looks like it's better for elephant, right?
帮它，然后等下再看，就是
梳头发。
咦，
那你们可以帮它剪，
用哪一个
shape 出来，这样子的都可以
喂，
剪。
用哪一个？
这个
哦
两个都可以用，这样。
都可以啦，都可以啦。
，OK，梳头发。
这个可以剪的话，也可以剪。
OK，
这么剪，
就是这样剪哦。
这样子。
可以慢慢就，我可以示范给你看。
啊，可以。
给你。
剪毛毛。
这样子。
哦，just make it rounded 啦。
它的手那些也是可以剪。
还是 too funny?
It looks fine. Okay, it's a naked bear. Cassie's bear and my bear. Woo. Some phone charms. Oh, oopsie. Oh, sorry. 不好意思，太这样轻。Phone charms. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my bear. No. Oh my god, it's so cute.
然后这边的话是一个小配件，可以选3个。然后这边的话是大配件，可以选1个。
所以小的是3个。
这里小的是3个。
哦、oh, OK。
来看看。
可以，你可以试穿。
So 3 of the small one and 1 of the big one. Oh my god, so cute. What are you choosing?
I'm choosing my accessories. I can't decide. What is this? 康师傅.
There's Maggie.
Yeah.
She's choosing a small accessory that you can choose like 3.
Yeah, there's like.
This one is
出
cup noodle. 出前一丁. Oh my god, I love these Hong Kong noodles.
Let's get this one.
And then there's like
Should I get
some
mahjong?
ribbons. I thought you just said a bad word.
Far.
And then buttons, mahjong towel, some food, and then like some glasses, thick.
Does it look weird?
For yours, maybe a bit, cause yours look more masculine. Look at mine. This is what I'm going with. Yeah, I know, right? Okay.
所以你可以先大概确定先。
Okay, it's okay.
Oh my god, so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god. He now has a purple sling bag. Cute. The ribbons.
But the thing doesn't wear. How do you wear it?
It's getting cute. Now I need to put on the glasses.
I
Okay,
think
wait.
now it's too furry.
The spectacles look a bit funny, right? Mine is done with blue ribbons, spectacles, a purple bag, and pink dress. Let's check on Cassandra. Hi, what are you doing here? Where's your doll?
My hand disappeared and I'm trying to
Yeah, she was trying to get it to wear a sweater and yeah. Unfortunately, it has to be refixed. So cute. So here's a price. Press on nails for like 38 onwards. And then we did this one. But then you can also get it from Klook. Actually, when we bought on Klook, it's a little bit cheaper than RM68. Yep. And then there's also like other options, like you can make your own charm, and yeah. So check out this place called Daydream DIY Studio. So pink. It's so hard to do it. Oh, it's very pink. Done. So funny. Guess who's finally done? So like you saw mine just now, right? This one. You want to see Cassandra's one? Okay, please introduce your Moru doll. What does it have? Okay, so what is he wearing?
Wearing a pair of glasses, holding some instant noodles.
Cannot see, cannot see. The glasses, why is he looking outwards?
Because
I think her doll likes to eat Maggie while like gambling while at Mahjong. Very, very naughty doll.
got naughty.
And then mine likes to go out on a picnic. Who wants to go out with my Moru doll? She's so cute. We are now at our next stop, Bakery 365, just round the block from Daydream DIY Studio. And this Bakery 365 is known for some of their breads. I think Swiss rolls as well. So let's go take a look. Is this best Swiss roll in Malaysia leh? Oh my god, the croissants is huge. And the layers here looks really good too. They have a range of bagels here as well, just like just now. Honey butter toast, red bean honey butter toast, walnut cinnamon, and some of the regular buns are here. The best seller here is this yam bun. Got another Shio pan, this time from 365 Bakery. This is 320, I believe. It's huge. And then this one on the other side, it has like so many white sesame seeds. Let's try it. It's done, my verdict is done. Kenjo Bakery seesaw one is better. If you are in Mount Austin area, go to Kenjo Bakery. Their Shio pan is much better. This one feels more like one dimensional, one texture, like inside and outside tastes like similar texture, you know what I mean? Because the other side for Shio pan, right, the exterior and the bottom, right, feels a bit more like slightly crispy. This one throughout is like one texture, it's more like bread texture. Let's try the chocolate one. This one is 450 ringgit. It's a no for me. This chocolate one, it doesn't feel airy inside. The Shio pan is supposed to be airy.
Yeah, it doesn't look also.
Yeah, it looks quite dense, you know, for a Shio pan. Or maybe it's not supposed to be a Shio pan. Wait, but it's written there Shio pan. It's honestly very dense, just like a bread. I wouldn't recommend coming to Bakery 365 if you're looking for Shio pan. Kenjo Bakery is the one to go. Trust me on this. Look at this texture, it's very dense. Okay, where are we going now?
We're going to eat dessert.
We are gonna eat some Chinese desserts before heading back to Singapore. See you at the next stop. Quite close from City Square actually, Mollie Makes. This is a Chinese dessert shop and apparently it recently opened. And Cassandra found it online, so let's go check it out. This place is so crowded and the menu looks like this. There's like drinks and then there's like Chinese desserts. I got this one. There's also some hot desserts like pistachio paste and yam paste, sesame and shaved ice. There's also shio pans here, so of course we ordered some shio pans. Okay, it's here. I got this like osmanthus jelly with like poached pear and longan pearl and white fungus. And she got pistachio paste.
Oh, it's really strong.
Is it strong?
It's not that strong until it's like very strong. So I think it's okay.
Okay.
It's strong then it's
So it's yummy? Okay, let's try mine. That's the original shio pan. I'm waiting for my shio pan. Cheers. It's not bad, but it's not like cold. It's like very, very slightly cold. It would be better if it's like colder.
the bread is so crispy.
The bread is so crispy.
Yeah. Like hot.
I think they are still working things out because this dessert, I'm sure it's supposed to be colder. It's kind of like close to room temperature. And what do you say about shio pan?
It's not as good as I thought it would be. Because it's a bit hard. Like, yeah.
Oh, I can still hear a bit crispy sound.
Yeah,
Okay.
They hit it out.
Yeah. Last meal at Johor Bahru, this mentaiko shio pan at the new cafe here. Let's try it. A bit too crispy lah.
Yeah, that's what I say, right?
Yeah, that's a bit too crispy. But actually, I don't think mentaiko is a good idea with shio pan because inside is really salty. Mentaiko is even more salty. So the whole thing is just like salty.
Hey, but the one that I ate at Judy Mentaiko was different.
But I think it's because of the size. The size of the shio pan here is quite small. So if you put so much mentaiko, it's just salty, a lot of salty. A bit too much. But overall still okay lah. Better than what I just ate. That's our last stop for our JB trip. And honestly today's meal, I think hit and miss. The best one has to be Kenjo Bakery shio pan. If you are here at JB and specifically at Mount Austin, please go to Kenjo Bakery and try their shio pans. They're so good. And I guess that's it. Hope you've enjoyed today's vlog and see you in the next one. Bye!